Welcome to Pilila Murray, the great banyan tree. More than just a tree, Pilila Murray is a sprawling ecosystem, a silent observer of history and a comforting presence for generations. Local legend whispers that it has stood for nearly 700 years, making it one of the oldest and largest of its kind in Asia. Pilila Murray now covers an astonishing 3.95 acres. Imagine a single tree that has transformed into a miniature forest. Its canopy stretches over 120 meters in both directions, a breathtaking spectacle of natural architecture. For centuries, Pilila Murray has offered shelter and solace. Beneath its vast canopy, countless living creatures find refuge. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their background, have sought shade and a sense of peace under its sprawling branches. It stands as a glimmer of unity and acceptance, a natural sanctuary for all. For over 700 years, the Pilila Murray banyan has stood strong. Yet, to this day, no one knows where its mother root truly lies, hidden deep beneath its vast, tangled embrace. Pilila Murray, a true blue, living, breathing example of what happens when nature is nurtured.
ప్రపంచంలో ఏ మూల ఏ క్షణం ఏం జరుగుతుందో వేగంగా తెలుసుకోవడానికి తొలి వెలుగు వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ని ఫాలో చేయండి.